This is Chris from FXStrategy.com taking a look at the upcoming Forex session for the August 16th trading day. As you can see, the euro dollar is in front of you, and we did have a negative session on Wednesday, a breakdown of the shooting star like we'd anticipated, except for one small issue. The 2250 area has acted as support and resistance, or at least the general vicinity, a couple times previously, and it looks like that's happened again. Whether or not we fall from here, that remains to be seen, but one scenario, one signal, if you will, that seems to be a little bit more interesting is if we can break this downtrend line. If we can get below that, and then of course as well below the 122.50, which is the bottom of this hammer essentially, that should send this pair searching for the 120 handle before it's all said and done. As for buying the euro, we just simply think that the 125 will more than likely just contain prices, and this rising wedge is a negative sign in and of itself. There's a lot of noise between 124 and 127. 125 is the epicenter. It's just hard to believe that in this current environment the euro is going to get that kind of a bid. Typically, the euro dollar and the euro yen pairs move in tandem, so the analysis is going to almost always be roughly the same. The numbers change, but for the most part, it's about the same thing. Looks like we had a little bit of an uptrend channel, and we did fall quite a bit during the session, but we found support at the uptrend line. This suggests that perhaps this hammer that's formed at the 97 handle, which is not insignificant in and of itself, could see this pair continue to climb. If that's the case, we still don't want to buy. We still think this is a sell on the rally type of pair, although we are starting to get a little bit of an uptrend channel here. But when you look at the bigger picture, it's not really that big of a move. We think that the 100 level will be far too difficult for this pair to overcome, and quite frankly, it's even possible that 97 will be a little too much. So we are looking for weak candles from which to sell. We just don't have it right now. If we break below this line, that would be a double whammy, so to speak, as it would not only break the support of the line, but the support of the bottom of the hammer as well. For FXStrategy.com, this has been a look ahead at the August 16th Forex session in the euro dollar and euro yen pairs.